welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button to see more home, holiday, event, wedding, and DIY decor. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a crate bar that you can use for any celebration. Here we go. I just realized, for someone that doesn't really drink, I mean, I drink, but I don't really drink, you know, I drink in occasions. I like making bars and bar carts and stuff like that. But today I wanted to make a a crate bar that you can use for different occasions, kind of like a dessert bar or an appetizer bar, or more like a buffet bar that can have multiple uses. So let's just get right to it. Let's get started. Alright guys, so to make this bar you are going to need 9 of these crates. These I got from Walmart and they are 17¼ in length times 14¼ in width and 10�5/8 in height. Okay, you can definitely use any crate you have or that you find, but this is a good height to make it. I gotta figure out how tall that's gonna be. I'll give you the height of the entire thing in a little bit. Anyway, the first 6 I got from Walmart were on sale, so I paid about $3. They are not on sale right now, so they're about $5.96 for each. So you will be paying about $15, $16, $17, $18 for 3. Okay, so maybe you can wait until they go on sale, but I think it's a good investment because you can use it for different occasions. Another battle here is that if you can find them in white, that will be your best bet. I only found them in this color and in black, so I'm gonna be painting them in white. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. You're also going to need a solid piece of wood. This one I got from Walmart for free. True story. I was on my way there I went with the intentions to get the white shelving wood that I usually get. And then I saw this piece of wood. It was actually bigger, and I saw it just laying there, and I thought it was really nice, and it was light but solid at the same time. So I went up to the guy that was doing the cutting, and I was just like, I really like this piece of wood, but I don't see, you know, a barcode on it. I don't know how much it is. I'm sure it wasn't a lot because I saw similar for like $5 and $11. So I asked him, and he was just like, well, actually that was just extra from someone that just had theirs cut and they just left it. It's scrapped, so if you want it, you know, you can have it. So he was nice enough to cut it in the size that I needed, and I was really happy. So I kind of like left really quickly before he changed his mind, and I forgot to get the name of it. But any piece of wood will do, guys. Okay, solid. It's not as heavy as the shelving wood, and I love it. Okay, and the size for this is 50½ by 15½. Okay, so I made it about ½ inch to 1 inch wider on all sides to put over the crate, just a little bit. Okay, because I wanted to hang out just a little bit. And yeah, so right now I am struggling to figure out whether I want to paint it or not. So I'm kind of gonna wait until after everything else is done to see how it looks, but I might just have to paint it. So in case I do, here it goes. Nope, I decided to leave it as is. Okay guys, so now we're going to move on to the arrangement of the crate, which involves balloons because of course I'm crazy about balloons, and it's what makes this bar so versatile for any occasion, because all you have to do is change the colors of your balloons or change the colors of your crates, and you can customize it to whatever need or whatever occasion you're gonna have. Here I have baby blue and I have light pink because I'm going to be making a gender reveal theme. And I am very excited about it. It's so pretty. Look at it. Nice. You can arrange the balloons however you would like, but if you like the way I arranged mine, this is what I did. First, you should know that I purchased 3 packets of each color, and they are 12-inch balloons from Walmart. So what I'm trying to accomplish here is a left side, a right side, and a middle, and they consist of a large balloon. Okay, they're all 12 inches, but I've blown up this one, okay, bigger than the rest. So you're gonna have a larger one and 3 smaller ones of each color. Just make sure that for the larger one, you do not overinflate in a way where it extends out. It has to be totally round. And for the smaller ones, make sure that you do not underinflate so it loses its shape, okay? So they all have to be nice and round. Since I don't have any more room in my house, I am going to be gluing this with hot glue because afterwards, when I'm done using it, I can easily not easily, but I can use some force to pull them apart, okay? But if you want something more permanent, you should use E6000. And the crates are already made to lock in place, so the hot glue is only helping me secure it a little bit more. Now I'm going to place the rest of the balloons and add hot glue as needed. Now I'm going to go ahead and place a piece of wood right on top. As you can see, I only secured the top with hot glue, which will secure it for the day. But if you want something more permanent, I will screw it down. I will place some screws at the end of the 4 corners. All right, guys, this is it. This is my crate bar, and it is absolutely unique and very practical. You can basically use this bar for any occasion, and you can place food, liquor, desserts, whatever you want on it. You're going to absolutely love this. I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to do so right here, right now. Also, leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought of my crate bar. Let me know what uses you will have for it. If you will use it for desserts, if you will use it for appetizers, food, anything like that, or just for liquor. All right, so make sure to share. Sharing is caring. If you know of a friend or a family member that can use this crate bar, make sure to share with them at the end of this video. All right, guys, until next time, bye.